Hey, what's up guys? So this video is going to be really exciting because I'm going to share with you how Samsung ecosystem and how Samsung devices work with each other. So if you have a Samsung tablet, a Samsung phone, Galaxy Buds or a Galaxy laptop, this video is for you. And I'll be sharing some of the mind-blowing features later in this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. So let's get started and see how Samsung devices interact with each other. The feature that we're going to look at is called Auto Switch Buds. Now these Galaxy Buds 3 are connected to this tablet as well as this phone. So there you go, it's connected right here. And if I go in here, they are not connected here, but they will get connected because they are in the history. Now, if I'm playing music on this tablet, the music is playing through Galaxy Buds 3. If you go in media output, here you can see that media output is Galaxy Buds 3. Now, if I go in Spotify here and I play music here, the Galaxy Buds 3 will switch automatically to my phone from this tablet. And now I'm playing this music on the phone through my buds. So this switching of Galaxy Buds happen automatically from one device to the other based on which device is actively playing the media. This also applies to phone calls. So for example, if I'm playing music on the tablet and I get a call on the phone, the buds will switch to the phone so I can receive that phone call through the buds. So now I want to show you how seamlessly they switch back and forth. So now I'm going to play music on this tablet and the buds will switch. And if I'll play music on the phone, the buds will switch again and they'll switch again and they'll switch again. So this is how you use Galaxy Buds 3 with Samsung ecosystem, and you can control the settings by going in the settings and then go in connected devices and then go in auto switch buds. And from here you need to turn this setting on and you need to make sure that you are signed in with the same Samsung account on both the devices, or if you have 3 devices, on all of them. Now if you go in settings and then go in connected devices, you will see another feature called call and text on other devices. So if you go in here, you can see that you can call and text from your tablet using the phone number and mobile plan from your Galaxy phone. So that means you can make calls from this tablet using your phone's plan. And once again, you need to be signed in with the same Samsung account on both the devices, and then we'll tap link this tablet to your phone, and then we also have to allow calling on this tablet and texting on this tablet if that's what you want. So now both of these devices are linked and we should be able to make a call from the tablet. And there you go. We can make calls from the tablet using the phone's plan and phone's data. This is awesome. An amazing feature in Samsung ecosystem is the continuity feature, which allows you to continue on one device where you left off on another. So for example, if I'm using Samsung internet on my phone and I'm going through this blog post, I can go in the recents on my tablet and I can see this blog post right here, and I can tap open and it will open on my tablet as well. Similarly, now I am using Samsung internet on my tablet and I go in the recents on my phone. I have this link right here and I can tap on it and it will open up on my phone. So you can pick up on one device where you left off on another. Now this works in other ways as well. So for example, you can copy one thing on your tablet and paste it on your phone. So for example, I type something here, I copy it here and go in Google Keep here and paste it right here. So copy on one device, paste on another. And this feature works with images as well. So if I come in here and I copy this image, I can come here and then paste it on my tablet. There you go. Now you can access the settings of this feature by going in settings, go in connected devices, and then go in continue on other devices. And here you will see continue apps, copy and paste. You can also use same Wi-Fi networks and camera continuity as well. So you can take pictures or scan documents on your phone or tablet and then continue working on them on another device such as tablet or computer. And one of the main requirements for this feature to work is that you should be signed in with the same Samsung account on all of your devices. There is a fantastic new feature in One UI 7 that allows you to use your phone as a webcam for your tablet. And let me show you how this works. So if you go in settings and then go in connected devices, you will see this option, camera share. So if you turn this on, what this will do is that it will use your phone's camera as a webcam in apps on this tablet. For camera share to work, both devices need to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and camera share turn on. So basically what you can do is that you can use your smartphone camera as a webcam for video calls on your tablet, which is great because now you get to use a much higher quality camera for your video calls, and any apps that support this feature will be available here. So now here you can see that even though I'm making this video call from my tablet, I am using my smartphone's camera as a webcam. So now you can use this feature and have a much higher quality camera as a webcam for your video calls. And this connection between the phone and the tablet happens seamlessly just because you are signed in with the same Samsung account on the tablet and the phone. If you go in settings and then go in connected devices, you will see this feature here called storage share. Now what this does is it allows your Samsung TV or Galaxy Book to access and use the files and folders on this phone. So for storage share to work, both devices need to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and storage share turned on. Unfortunately, my Galaxy Book 2 still does not support storage share. I'm waiting for the update. I hope it comes to my Galaxy Book. But once this update arrives, I can access the storage of my tablet or of my phone on my laptop. If you connect keyboard or a mouse to your tablet, you can use something called multi-control. So right now I'm using this mouse on my tablet, but what multi-control allows me to do is move this cursor seamlessly over to my phone. So there you go, my Samsung Galaxy S24 option appears, and I have to keep going, and now I have pushed through the threshold and I am on my phone now. So now I can use this mouse on my phone without even connecting it to my phone. I only connected it to my tablet, but because I have this multi-control feature turned on, I can use this cursor on my phone. Same goes for the keyboard. You connect it to one device and then use multi-control to control the other device as well. Now what's really cool is that I can drop files from one device to another seamlessly. And you can turn this feature on by going in settings, go in connected devices, and then go in multi-control. And here you can read about it. Use the keyboard and mouse connected to one Galaxy device to control all your other Galaxy devices and drag and drop files between them. To connect devices, need to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and multi-control turned on. Did you know that you can mirror your entire phone on your Samsung tablet? You need Samsung Flow app for this. So this is the Samsung Flow app. You need to have it downloaded on both the devices. So go in here and then go in Samsung Flow on your phone, and it will ask you to connect. So now this chat box opens, and using this chat box I can transfer any file from my tablet to my phone. So I can go in images here and I can select any file and press done, and it will be transferred on my phone seamlessly and really fast. So there you go, that file is right here on my phone. Now what's awesome is that you can go in here and you can transfer videos, files, audio, contacts, notes, whatever it is. So that's one way. Now you can also mirror your phone screen on your tablet. Let me show you how you can do that. So tap on this button here and now it will ask you for permission. So start, and there you go. You have your entire phone screen on your tablet. You don't need your phone, put it away. Just use your tablet and your phone together. You can also minimize it and it stays right here on your tablet display. You can continue to do your work, and whenever you need your phone, just tap it here and your phone is right there on your tablet for you to use and enjoy. If you have a Samsung Galaxy laptop and a Galaxy tablet, you can then use the tablet as a second screen for your laptop. And you can turn this feature on by going in quick controls and tapping on this icon here, or you can go in settings, go in connected devices, and then go in second screen. On your laptop, you have to go in your Samsung settings, similarly go in connected devices and turn on the second screen. And then you can use your tablet as a second screen for your Galaxy Book or Galaxy laptop. And what's really cool is that if you swipe up, the second screen is right here and you can continue to use your tablet the way you want, and whenever you want that second screen back, just tap on it and it will come back. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned a lot about the Samsung ecosystem and how Samsung devices work with each other. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe. That really helps the channel out. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.